Next, we move on to feature engineering. So we begin by saying a cutoff date is equal to PD.to time September 1st, 2011. Basically, this splits the data into like a training and a prediction periods. Then we move on to df train is equal to df dot brackets df invoice date less than cutoff date. Basically, this line of code contains like the transactions before like the cutoff date for like the feature engineering. Then we move on to df feature is equal to df brackets df invoice is greater than or equal to cutoff date. Basically, this line of code contains like the transactions after the cutoff date to calculate the target variable of like future customer lifetime value. So future CLV is equal to df future group by customer ID total spend dot sum dot reset index all the way down to future SLV dot columns is equal to customer ID and future SLV. Basically, this block of code basically aggregates the total spend for each of the customers within like the prediction period. Next, we move on to aggregation features from training period. So reference date is equal to cutoff date all the way down till customer ags or average order is equal to customer ags monetary divided by customer ags fee frequency. Basically, what this block of code does is basically aggregates like the customer level features. Next, we move on to adding additional features such as tenure all the way down to frequency, AOV. Next, we move on to unique products is equal to df.train grouped by customer ID, stock code, and unique reset index all the way till customer ag is equal to customer ag.merge unique products on customer ID how left fill NA. Basically, this block of code finds like the number of like distinct products purchased by each customer and basically merges it within the customer aggregation. Next, we move on to time-based features from training period. So df train is equal to df.copy. It basically makes a copy to avoid errors within the original data frame. And then we have a df.train ilock year month is equal to df.train invoice data dt.to period brackets m all the way down to monthly spend columns is equal to spend brackets string call for call in monthly spend columns. Basically, what this block of code does, it basically extracts like the years and the month from like the invoice data and basically like aggregates like the monthly spending for like each customer and basically creates like a pivot table within like with monthly spendings at like the columns. Next, we move on to merging features. So from customer features equal to customer features merge monthly spend left customer ID right index true how left customer features equal to customer features merge future SLV on customer ID how left fill NA0. Basically, what this block of code does, it basically combines like all the customer level features such as like customer ag, monthly spend, and feature SLV into like a single data set, and it basically like fills in the missing values with like 0 for like numerical columns.